Hello everyone, I am here to tie up the Windows crash video that I did a couple days ago. I got my hardware in, which was a 500 gigabyte solid state drive. Had a little trouble installing Windows 10 on it. It didn't want to recognize the drive at first. But then once it did, I had to mess around and reboot it several times. It finally recognized it. So I installed the 500 gigabyte solid state drive. It seems to be very good. Seems to be faster. Everything I open and close on my computer seems smoother. Everything just seems smoother. That's the best way I can describe it. So I also installed the fan. The fan went out on my other computer. And so I installed this one. I think that's what was the whole problem was. It was overheating and crashing. Not sure if that's correct or not. I have it pointing inside and actually probably should be pointing a different way. But that's how it ended up. Have been using this for a day and no problems. Windows 10 is good. I also got a SD card reader drive for internal. And I thought I had gotten the 5 1/4 one, but I accidentally got the 3.5 inch. So it was supposed to go in this bay. And it ended up, the best I could do is just kind of cram it in this bay, which doesn't really work because it wasn't meant for that. I know it's kludgy, I know it's weird, but for now it's going to work for me. I also got tired of losing everything. So I decided to add another drive, and if you can see it, it's just kind of hanging out here. Again, I know that's really ugly and I don't like it, but I want everything backed up. I'll clean this up later. But I have the SATA drive here. This is my previous one that crashed. Now it's just my backup. So when I have a bunch of videos on my computer and I just want to back them up, I drag and drop them to this drive. So I have it in two places. So I'm also going to clone my operating system drive, the solid state. This is the regular drive. This is not the solid state. The solid state's inside. This is my backup that crashed, like I said. I have Windows 10 now, and that means I can use all 32 gigabytes of RAM. Because I had Windows 7, I could only use 16 gigabytes, which is pretty ridiculous. Anyway, I'm going to do another video where I show how fast my computer boots up in Windows 10 now with a solid state drive. In fact, maybe I'll tack it onto the end of this one. I don't know. But it boots up pretty fast. I like it. Everything seems faster now. I just finished making a video. This internal SD card reader is faster. I've already tried copying a few videos from this drive to the internal solid state drive, and it all is going faster. It's still not lightning fast, but it's much faster than it was when I had the USB cable out to a little box. That was very slow. Anyway, that's my update. It's not perfect. I'm probably not going to close that for now because I've got stuff hanging out of it, but I don't plan on putting my fingers in there, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Hope you learned from this.